Cake have lollipop up. Coffee daw sa kanya, Jen. Happy birthday, Daddy. Wish, Daddy. What it? Oh, what man lang wish. Oh. So, this one is for the lunch of Daddy for his birthday. Of course, his favorite hamburger and a chicken. Happy birthday, Daddy. This one we have the this is the aloha, and that one is the dog.
Nice.
Ikap-katra na po siya.
I can smell something like gas.
Ito?
What is that? Cheese and
Four season tea. Ganahan na siya